How to display numbers on a bar chart in Tableau. Let's take a look. I have a bar chart built in Tableau with no labels. So I have for each region and category, I have a bar for a number of sales. There are a couple ways to make labels show up in Tableau. We're going to go through a couple. The first way is to click the label button on your marks card and click Show Mark Labels. Now it's going to show a label for each bar. I'm going to go a little bit deeper here. There's some text that you can enter on the marks card, on the label, but I can't click it. I can't click on the ellipse here to edit the text. In order to make the text available to be edited, you need to have a pill on the label mark or text. Your mark might say text. So I'm going to grab sales. I'm going to drag it over to label. Nothing happened to my view, but now when I click the label button on the marks card, this ellipse shows up. Now I can open on my other screen, I can open the text editor for your label. You can type whatever you want in here. So I could put the word sales, maybe with an underline, or bold. Bold works too. Click apply. And now I have for each bar, I have that it's denoting sales and the amount. I don't have to only include one measure in the label. I can include multiple if I want to. I can bring in profit, put that on the label mark as well. And I'm going to have a value for sales and a value for profit for each region and category combination. Let's edit that to make it look a little bit better. Remember, click the label button and the ellipse next to your text. I'm going to put sales, the number right next to sales, maybe after a colon. And next to profit, I'm going to type profit, colon, and then the sum of profit. If it didn't automatically show up here, you can click insert and insert whatever you have on text into your label. Let's close it out by making profit bold. Click apply, okay, and we have for each bar I have sales and profit shown. Hope that helps.